Hello guys, welcome to my channel Aspiring IAS Officer. Today I'll show you how you manage last 20 days for RRB NTPC. In this strategy, I'm going to show you how you manage effectively, that is 10 plus 10 days approach. In this, we will see how you manage the whole syllabus plus revision. The revision is the key to success because we have to revise periodically. So here we will take first GA for 10 days. This is continuous, okay? So 40 topics given by the Bhunesh sir. You have to search for that. And then next Max. Max for again 10 days. The Max by Rahul sir. Because he teaches from basic to advanced level. He teaches very effectively. Next we will see Science. Science for 10 days. Continuously, this will go continuously. Physics, chemistry, bio. So in this we have to buy that Lucent journal book. It's 3 plus 2 plus 5 approach, means 3 for physics, 2 for chemistry and 5 for bio. So that is the next we will see reasoning. For reasoning we will do 5 days continuously. We will learn reasoning, what is reasoning. Then we will 5 days we will practice, because reasoning is easy, you can manage in 5 days, because competition is tough. We have to manage and time very effectively for our preparation. So you can watch summary videos if you don't know anything about reasoning. For a base you can watch reasoning videos, summary videos, okay, if you are beginner then. Okay, we'll move to next.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all
Books recommendation. Now I'll tell you what books should be followed for the every section. Okay, so first we will see GK Lucent publication. You have to buy for Lucent publication. Okay, then that is, it will cover history, geography, polity, economy, computer science, and so on, very in concise manner. Next we will move to journal science. In journal science we have to buy for a Lucent publication again. Okay, it will cover very sophistically full science in one book, very in concise manner. It is NCERT based book, so it is very good. Max Rajesh. Then reasoning, non-verbal and verbal, RS Agarwal. Okay, then I'll explain you now revision part. That is 5 plus 5 approach. That is 5 days and 5 days. In 5 days you have to do whole revision, and then plus 5 days you have to do only mock test. Because the test series and the mock test are very important for the competitive exams, so you have to practice a lot for this. So I'll share you a timetable for how you manage, like you can manage in your own also, but I am sharing this model. You should give that much time, because in 20 days you have to prep, so you have to give at least 12 to 13 hours per day. So I'll tell you, for max you have to give 3, then science you have to give 3 hours, then GA, that is general awareness, you have to give 3 hours, then reasoning you have to give 2 hours because it is easy, then PYQ, that is previous year question, you have to give 2 hours. Total is 13 hours. Okay, all the best guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you.